Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs peel easy step by step. Start by choosing eggs that are not ultra fresh, bring them to room temperature, and set a reliable timer. Gently lower eggs into simmering water and cook with a gentle boil to prevent jostling. After cooking, transfer eggs to an ice bath immediately to stop cooking and help the shells separate cleanly from the whites. Let's walk through the cooking method step by step with a friendly tone. Heat water until it simmers, not a violent boil, and lower eggs in carefully to avoid cracks. Time eggs for 9 to 12 minutes depending on your preferred yolk firmness, then remove promptly. Keep the water at a gentle roll to cook evenly, and always transfer cooked eggs directly into an ice bath to finish the process and firm up the white. Peeling cleanly is all about technique and patience delivered in a warm voice. Tap each egg gently to crack the shell all around, then roll it under your palm to loosen the membrane. Peel the shell under cold, running water, beginning at the whiter end, where the air pocket helps separate the shell from the white. Use the water to flush away small fragments and keep the egg surface smooth and intact for perfect presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.